not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a wig review for you guys. This is another human hair wig, which I absolutely love. At first I didn't too much like it, but we'll get into that a little bit later. But this wig was sent to me from Lumina. I think that's how you say it. They're on AliExpress. Reached out to me and asked me to review one of their wigs. So here's the wig that they sent me. So let's go ahead and jump into the video.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
So if you guys see me looking over here, it's because I'm looking at the website. I'm filming on my phone and I didn't get a chance to jot down any notes about this wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and look at the website and give you any other information that I need to give you, but I will be sure to leave everything down below in the description box. So before I actually jump into the video, as you guys saw previously, I showed you the construction of the wig. It has 4 combs total. Does it? No. It has 3 combs total, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. Then it has an adjustable strap. You guys saw the strap, which a lot of people love, so that's good. And then this is a lace closure, not a lace front, just a simple lace closure. So as you guys saw, before I had switched up the wig, there was lace right here, and the wig is originally a middle part. You guys know how I feel about a middle part. I'm not too much of a fan of a middle part. And when I first put the wig on, this wasn't my first time. I had tried it on a couple days ago and played with it, but I didn't too much like the middle part. So I went ahead, since it is a lace closure, I was able to make another part. So as you guys can see, I made a side part. I brushed out the hair a little bit more to try to give it this messy kind of wavy look to it. And I did just swoop a little baby hair over here just to make it look a little bit natural. But yeah, so this is how the hair is looking. So let me tell you guys about this hair. So according to the website, which I will link down below, this is a 4x4 Remy Hair lace closure wig. The texture is a water wave human hair wig. And the inch that I got was 10 inches. This is the one that they wanted me to review. So this is 10 inches and I really do like it. I like it. I really do. Like I said, at first, I didn't too much like it, but that's, of course, I put the wig on and, I was just putting the wig on. So once you start to play with the wig, then that's when you start really liking it. You get to customize it the way that you want and all this stuff. So again, this is human hair, which I am super excited about. I'm really happy that more companies are starting to reach out to me with human hair wigs. And like I said, I did brush it out to give it like this messy, wavy kind of look. So I do like it. Now, this wig did come from China, I believe, but I can't remember how long it took for shipping. Surprisingly, it didn't take that long. If I remember correctly, it did not take that long. But yeah, I'm trying to make sure I'm not leaving out anything. You guys know how I am. I'm forgetful sometimes, but I will leave all the information down below in the description box if I did forget something, and I will pin it down in the comments. Now, as far as shedding, I really haven't noticed any shedding. Of course, I did pluck a little bit, not too much. So of course I did notice a little shedding after I had plucked, but that's it. So far I have not witnessed any shedding. Well, yeah, just a little bit, not too much, which is good. So I really do like this wig. Wigs look a little bit different online than when it does in person. So I was kind of iffy when I got it because I was like, this doesn't look like what I saw. Does not look like what I saw, but I got to play with it a little bit and I really do like it. So there's nothing that I hate about this wig. I do like that it's a lace closure because you guys know I'm still getting into laying down wigs. I'm not the best at it, still practicing, so practice does make perfect. But I am glad that this is a lace closure, so I only had to cut just that front little lace and that was it. So this lace closure wigs is something that I could definitely like practice with. I don't necessarily have to lay it down, but at least I can somewhat practice. But yeah, I really do like this wig. As you guys can see, I can't keep my fingers out of it. There's nothing that I don't hate about this wig. It's really cute. I love the curl pattern. I love the fact that I was able to make another part. So as far as the parting space, I don't see anything about the parting space. Hair can be permed. The lace is light brown. Cap size is average size. Color is like a natural. Material grade, Remy hair. I don't see anything about the parting space, but I mean, it's enough for me to make a little part. So that's pretty good. There was something that I just remembered and I forgot that I was getting ready to tell you guys. Oh, well, I don't remember. Y'all know. I do not remember what I was about to say. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. You guys let me know down below in the comments how you feel about this wig. Do you like this wig? Would you rock this wig? How does this wig look on me? Do you like, it's giving me like semi Diana Ross vibes. Do y'all see that? Like, I really like that. I'm a big hair type of girl. Big hair, wavy type of girl. So That's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment and of course share with all your family, share with all your friends, let them know to check your girl out, okay? If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you later.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. But we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna